Measures are Power BI features that let you explore your data to create meaningful reports and visualizations. In this video, you'll learn how to create custom measures with DAX. AdventureWorks needs to analyze its sales data to calculate its total sales and identify the top 2 best-selling products in each category and region. You can use DAX calculations to create custom measures to help AdventureWorks generate these insights. Custom measures refers to user-defined calculations or metrics created using DAX. Like traditional measures, custom measures also generate insights about data. Let's create custom measures to help AdventureWorks generate insights into its sales data. Before we begin, let's quickly review the company's data model. You've launched Power BI, connected to your data sources, and loaded, transformed, and configured the following tables in the model: products, region, sales, and salesperson. So, within our model, the sales table is the fact table. It's connected to all other tables via a series of active one-to-many relationships. And the cross-filter direction is set to single for all relationships. We're now ready to start creating measures. The first step is to create a new measure called total sales using DAX. In the Data view of Power BI, select New Measure from the Table Tools tab to expand the DAX formula bar. Type Total Sales as the name of your new measure. Be aware that any new measure added to the DAX formula bar is named Measure by default. If you don't rename the measure, all new measures are named Measure 1, Measure 2, and so on. Give your measures unique names to be easily identifiable, particularly when creating several measures. Write the total sales measure using the SUMX function to multiply the unit price and quantity columns from the sales table. When you enter your formula, a list of suggested functions appears after you type the equals operator. You'll need to ensure that you understand the functions on this list and that you select the relevant one for your calculation. And once you reference a table or column name, Power BI displays a drop-down list of available tables and columns within your data model. Select the correct field when choosing a reference from the drop-down list to ensure your chosen measure functions as required. Press Enter to execute the function and generate the new total sales measure. You can view the new measure within the table you selected under the data pane on the right-hand side of the Power BI desktop interface. Next, you must create a measure that identifies the number 1 and number 2 top-selling products in each category. You can use the total sales measure to create another new custom measure. Select New Measure to expand the formula bar and write a measure called Top 2 Products. The measure begins with a variable that defines the ranking of products using the DAX values function. The Return section returns the value with the required calculation. The Calculate function filters the results of the total sales measure based on the top 2 products. The Top-In function defines the top products based on their respective sales. It uses the number 2 to represent the top 2 products. This is a dynamic measure that you can use to present the number 1 and number 2 top-selling products by product category, color, or region. Press Enter to execute the function. When executed, the function displays the results of the measure in a matrix or table that shows the total sales amount for the top 2 performing products in each category. You can dig deeper into the data by working through different business years. Thanks to your help, AdventureWorks now have the insights they require, and you should now be able to create custom measures with DAX. This is a valuable new skill you've learned. When used correctly, you can deploy dynamic calculations to generate insights quicker.